All right, so in this video, I wanted to show you guys kind of the most compact gym setup that I could think of for a relatively snug 2-car garage. So we park 2 4-door sedans in here every night. And so the space I have for my gym equipment is really limited to this back corner here. So let me quickly walk you through each of these pieces and just do a really brief overview of each one. So starting with the main piece, which is this PRX foldable squat rack. This is the Pro version in white. I've used it for about a year and it's been absolutely great so far. We see that when it's folded up, it's about 5.5 to 6 inches off of the wall. And let me quickly show you how this folds down. So to fold down, all you need to do is grab onto each upright and then pull. And that is actually super easy to do because the weight of this rack is supported by these 2 hydraulic pieces up here. And then to clean up, just pull up and then push it back up against the wall. Super minimal effort, and it takes about 5 seconds to do in each direction. So yeah, that's the PRX foldable rack I have. I'll probably do a more detailed review of this in another video. So moving on to the next piece is the set of Rogue bumper plates. So this is again wall mounted, and the wall mount that I'm using is also created by PRX. And this is a 3-piece system. We have the upper piece here, this cross piece here, and then the bottom piece here. And each of these upright pieces holds, I would say about 3 of these Rogue, 45-pound Rogue plates. And 3 of these plates combined, I would say it's about 1.5 feet off of the wall, which is not bad at all. And then the next piece I wanted to look at is this PRX wall-mounted dip bar. So this piece is about, I would say about 1.5, also about 1.5 feet off of the wall. And then the next one is this dumbbell set. So these dumbbells are made by Nuobell. But the stand I'm using is an old Bowflex stand. And I mean, it still works great with these Nuobells, and it takes up about, I would say 1.5 feet in each direction in the corner here. So again, not a bad footprint, and I think it's definitely worth having rather than having these dumbbells sit on the ground. And again, I'll probably do another video on these Nuobells and why I swapped the Bowflexes out for them. Let's see, next piece is this wall-mounted spotter bar. And again, this is all created by PRX. Super compact. I would say it's like 5 inches off of the wall. So super useful, super compact. So next is this Rogue Olympic bar. And that's wall mounted using another PRX device. Let's see. So next is this Rep Fitness bench. So this bench is actually super heavy duty. This is the Rep Fitness Blackwing bench. And I would say the footprint of this is about maybe like 2.5 feet off of the wall. And I actually originally had a wall-mounted foldable PRX bench, and you can still see kind of the holes that were required to mount it. But the reason I got rid of that PRX bench was I just found it super flimsy, and a lot of the stitching was coming loose prematurely. So I swapped to this Rep Fitness bench, and this has been really great. And I'll definitely make another more detailed video about this. And then the last piece I wanted to go over is this Venom leg attachment. So this piece has about the same footprint as the Rep Fitness, but this piece works really great with this bench. So this extension piece here fits into the back of the Rep Fitness bench, and this allows me to do leg curls, leg extensions, There are a couple design flaws, but I'll make a more detailed video reviewing this piece later. So that's about it. Overall, I'm very happy with this setup. If you guys have any questions on any of these individual pieces, or if you have any suggestions on how I can further minimize or improve the setup, I'm definitely welcome to any comments. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.